All right, so let's talk about another feature of Postradamus called post templates. So I'm going to click post templates and I'm going to click new post template. And what post templates allow me to do is when I'm searching for content on, say, let's use Pinterest for example, it brings back various information on each Pinterest post that it finds. So, for example, Pinterest tells you how many repins a post has. It tells you who posted that to Pinterest via their author name, and it tells you how many likes the post has and various other things. It also tells you the text that goes along with the picture, and that's really important for post templates. So let's go ahead and create a post template for Pinterest, and I'll show you what it's going to do for us. So I choose Pinterest up here in this content source box, and then I just need to give it a name. I'm just going to say Pinterest for now. And now description I can leave blank, and then I'm just going to click create. And so far nothing's really happened. I need to go back into this, and I need to scroll down to this modified template area, and this is where the magic happens. So by default, if you don't have any post templates set up for Pinterest, what it's going to do is it's just going to add the text that the post at Pinterest has. It's going to add that text to your own Facebook post. So first let's go ahead and find a post on Pinterest, and I'll show you what I mean. We'll say golden doodle. Okay, so this first one, actually let's use this second one. You can see this came from my oodle. If I were to click that, it would take me to the Pinterest page that my oodle owns, and it has this text here. This is the text from the Pinterest post. So if I were to click here and look at the post, you would see here's the text right here that it found. So this is a piece of content that Postradamus found, and you can use this in your post template. So let's go ahead and do that. Down here I can type in text, and that's going to take this or this or this, and it's gonna make that available to my template that I'm creating right now. So the reason you would want to be able to do that is because now I can add my own custom text before or after the Pinterest text. So I could say, found this on Pinterest, and then it would say the text that came from the Pinterest post. I might even want to put like quotes here or something, you know. So let's go ahead and do that, and let's see what it looks like. Let's click update, and now if I were to refresh this page, okay, so now let's go ahead and add this to our list, and I'm going to choose an existing list. No, I'm going to have to create a new one. New golden doodle list. And I'm going to click more options. This is the key here. You have to click more options, and then it says apply a post template. So I'm going to apply a Pinterest post template to my content that I just found. Now I've only selected one. It's this one right here. So if it all works right, what should happen is it should add this post to my list, but before it does that, it's going to add my custom text. Do I still have it up? Let's see. Yeah, it's going to add this found this on Pinterest, and then it's going to add this text right here. So let's see if it does that. So I've selected it. I've chosen my Pinterest post template, and I'm going to click Add to List. I'll click Your List, and there it is. So it added this, found this on Pinterest, and then it added the Pinterest text to it. So that is the most basic way to use the post template feature. But it can get really powerful because you could do things like found this on Pinterest via author name. And now it's going to add the author's name right here to sort of give them credit. I can also do things like, let's see, say I want to get the number of likes in there somewhere as well. So this post had, or no, this image had like count likes on Pinterest. So you can just look down here at these tokens, they're called in Postradamus, and you can choose which one you want to use in your post template. Now, as I said, it gets even more advanced than this. We can delete everything in here, and then we could just click update, and then when we get content back from Pinterest, this would just be blank. There'd be nothing in here. And then you'd have a clean slate to actually add your own text if you wanted to. Or you could just keep it as a photo. What else can you do? You can say, I want to bring back the text from Pinterest, but I want to limit it to 100 characters max. So that would do that. You can also do spin text. So spin text is a way to randomize what text gets written for the post. So I could say, maybe I want the text to show up first, and then I want to say visit, I can't type today, my website at goldendoodle.com today. So that would be one sentence that I want to write, but maybe I don't want that to always show up on every single post that I get from Pinterest. So I would add this bracket here, and then I would add a pipe, and I would say also check out goldendoodle.com for more golden doodles. And then I'd add this bracket again. And so now what it's going to do is it's going to either choose this sentence or it's going to choose this sentence. And it's going to be random. So if I were to select, let's go back to Pinterest. Well, let's save this first. Update. If I go to Pinterest now, and I type in golden doodle, if I were to select the first 3 or more, if I selected everything, it should be random depending on what text it chooses, but we'll just do 3 for now. And again, don't forget to check that Pinterest box down there. And then we'll click Add 3 to List. And you can see twice it decided to use the also check out goldendoodle.com for more golden doodles text, and then once it chose to do the visit my website at goldendoodle.com today. So you can imagine how elaborate you can get with these post templates. They're pretty flexible as far as what you can stuff in them and what kind of results you get back. So make sure and use these tokens. These are the bits of information that Postradamus finds from the various places, such as Pinterest. And then don't forget to use these spin tags, which just consists of a bracket, some text, and then a pipe, and then some other text, and then you could do another pipe, some more text, and another pipe, text, and then a bracket. So this is going to run through 4 possible combinations of text that would show up at this line in your post. Okay, so that is the post templates feature in Postradamus. Now, very soon, in fact, I almost waited to shoot this video until this feature was done, but very soon you're going to be able to do this type of functionality with the image that you find at Pinterest as well. So not just the text that you get back, but also the image. You'll be able to click this image tab here, and then you're going to be able to basically add text or images or watermarks, things like that to whatever image you find on Pinterest automatically for you. So be sure to look for that. It might already be there by the time you watch this video.